Hi folks, and thank you for spending some time with me today showing you a video presentation of this new 2020 22G model Arctic Fox built in La Grande, Oregon. We've been, again, one of their dealers since about '93 when they first started, so we're real proud to carry their product. Very heavy duty, very sturdy, very well made, and again, they're not building them for those lightweight ideas. They're building them to be sturdy and strong, and they got a lot of storage inside too as well as the outside. So let's start on the inside, we'll finish up on the out. What I like about this product is that it's really great for a couple. You don't have a slide out. It's 8.5 foot wide, so it's already wider than most standard trailers out there, and certainly a lot larger than the ultralight. So with all that added width you've got, that interior space, deep cabinetry, you have an open feel for not having to deal with the potential maintenance of a slide out. So you've got a walk around bed up front, you got storage, which is going to be a tall jacket type storage, and then shirt on that side. You do have a nightstand, and then you're going to have storage in behind for maybe your tablets and phones and such like that. More storage overhead here, storage underneath the bed. Look at this counter space here. So you can go ahead and if you really wanted to, there's a TV over there. If you wanted to, I guess, finagle some way to put something closer by, you could for the master. But that TV right there can also be, if you wanted maybe something a little bit larger, you could probably do it. But it's nice from here. You can see all that. You've got your drawers here, all solid wood in your backers, which are really nice to have, and solid woods on your fronts, as well as the nice hardwood here, as well as your surrounds, mortise and tenon cabinet joints on each there. An extra shelf here, which makes it nice and strong too. These are incredibly strong units. It is aluminum frame. It is going to have wood inside those key areas of the tubular aluminum to give you added strength and something to bring your screws into and such when you're building this unit. You do also have a crown inside here, which also adds more height into interior space. You've also got a fantastic fan, and then you've got a skylight up here. And I believe you'll see there's going to be a skylight in the bathroom as well. So let's see if we can kind of have, I'll have the camera guy go in and take a look. Let me open up the doors here so you can take a look at how big that bathroom is. It's really super nice. You're going to have on the left, the closet's going to be a double closet. So that gives you all that extra space. Your toilet's a porcelain toilet there. You've got a stainless on the sink and a nice big sink in there. And then you've got easy access to your shower and all that space. So isn't that nice? Little mirror here for extra area for seeing how you're all set up to look pretty out there. You've also got the storage here, which gives you another shelf, which I like as well for extra storage ability. Your booth dinette is attached, so this is more rigid than you have on some of those just legs. So you've also got storage down below here. That's a drawer, and these cushions fit nicely in behind out of the way, so when you're getting in and out, it's not going to pop out and follow you on the way. You've also got solid surface with stainless down below, and you've got this nice little area here for added storage, as well as all your drawers that you have in here. So I like that. The extra counter space, you can never get enough of that. So the monitor panel, it's also going to have a solar panel trickle charger too that comes standard, and then all your panels are up here high, and maybe so that way the grandkids or kids can't get in there and try to push everything like they do when they can reach it. So this right here is going to be your solid sturdy step, your grab handle. You're going to have a nice big patio awning for more space. And you've got an area here that is going to be pre-wired. Looks like it might even be set up so that you can put a generator if you wanted to have one put in. That's a nice feature to have as well too. And you're going to have the larger bumpers. They're about 4.5 instead of the standard 4. So hot water heater is going to be a larger hot water heater as well. And look at that sturdy ladder they put on it. Again, this is a 2020. Some newer features. I like the way they've done to design that. LED lights outside that have switch controls on the light fixture itself. Custom aluminum wheels. And really nice, heavy, thick 1-inch doors. Your fiberglass one-piece cap that runs all the way on there. Again, individual lighting here as well as on top, and they have a little level up top too. So a lot of things that this company does that other companies don't, and that is one, build a very strong, heavyweight unit that can go most anywhere you want to take it, and that's what people consider, I believe, a seasoned RVer may come in and see this product as being a real benefit to them. And if you have any more questions, again, there's a number at the end of the video. My name's Tom Peterson, been here 29 years. Love to help you out. If you have any questions, give me a call, please. And remember, in Junction City at Guaranty, it's an RV show every day.